Start. Hello everyone. I started this like 3 weeks ago when Sister Gelly called me and she said, Georgine, you gotta bring these people in. I'm like, no, there's no way. You know I'm busy in the church. We don't have money. There's no way I can come. So she insisted. So I said, okay, I have no choice then to go with it. And I'm not diabetic. However, my last checkup, the doctor said that I'm borderline because I'm overtired, I'm sleeping. So he said I need to be careful. So when I started this journey, I was right there where the last number, the normal number finished. So 110. Yesterday I checked my blood sugar, it was 103, and today it was 98. So I do not have blood pressure problem, but I lost 2 pounds and then I feel great. I feel very energetic, and because I don't sleep enough, even with the program I still couldn't sleep because I was doing other things, but I don't feel the tiredness that I normally would get. So, and I thank God for you guys and the information that we get during this program. It is priceless. So I hope to use the information that I gain from this program with the church, so the church will benefit from everything. May God bless you all.
Amen.